Hi, this is Kiruba Shankar, CEO of Breathe Digital. I'm right now in Manila, the capital of the Philippines, here to speak at the Philippines Social Media Week event. I'm super excited to fly down to Kolkata for the Digital Success Summit. And I'm going to be speaking on the power of digital selling and why all things put together, what really gives respect to digital is the kind of impact it can have on the bottom line. So I've been interviewing a lot of global CEOs and CMOs, and I'm super excited to share all the key learnings. So see you guys in Kolkata, and don't forget to attend my session and my workshop on digital selling. I'll see you around.